Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda HRV wiper blades. Lift the wiper arm away from the windshield, press the release tab on the blade connector, and slide the old blade off. Check the new blade aligns with the hook or pin connector, then snap it into place firmly. Lower the arm gently to the glass and test on low speed to ensure full contact and smooth operation. Start by lifting the arm straight away from the glass until it stays up. Firmly press the release tab on the connector and slide the blade down toward the windshield to remove it. If the connector is stubborn, wiggle gently while keeping pressure on the tab to avoid bending the arm. Keep track of any small clips so you can reuse or replace them if needed for a secure fit. Align the replacement blade with the arm connector and slide until you hear a click that indicates it locked in place. Double-check the blade is straight and securely fastened by tugging gently on the connection. Carefully lower the arm back to the glass to prevent sudden impacts. Once both blades are installed, run the wipers on low speed and spray washer fluid to confirm even.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.